So welcome back guys. Today I am once again in the game. This game is actually meme C. This game is good and I have many fruits here. My level is 439. Hey man. So I am using the ice power. That is a great thing. And if you want any fruit, I am giving my fruits to my subscribers. See, this is the inventory. Wait a second. Let's go. I have this much fruits. Invisible power is very great. We have two gold powers, giving the 15th subscriber the gold power and rumble fruit in blocks fruits. Let's go. So we have to kill the man there, the tree. So let's go over here. I will show you abilities of ice power. Oh no, this guy has a flame. That's well at the you have to go there after you reach the level 300. And actually my friends also playing this. I don't know what his level is. He was on 59 last day, and I was tomorrow I was also on 59, but then I just grinded so much for the level, and now I have to kill the tree over here. This man is there. We have to kill him. Let's get the quest. Let's kill him. Oh my god. Why doesn't he got? He gives so much damage, so much. And guys, I'm making a giveaway shout out to my 15th subscriber getting the gold power. That's the most rarest legendary in rare in the game, and also giving a rumble fruit for the 15th subscriber. That's a V offer for you. Sorry, W offer for you. Just one shot. Oh, I missed it. Oh no, I missed two shots in a row. No, no, no. Let's go, sir. I have to open my stats to the profile. Let's see my profile. Current cap level is 2400. Race is human V1, and playtime is 2 hours and 20 minutes. I played on this game. Fame on by other killing bounty I don't have. Perfect total money. I had total money like 196 million. Gems I have fighting style combat, weapon on, current power, flopper. I just feel like 7, and gems like I don't know. Abilities, this is the abilities. This is here. We should upgrade this thing for 12. Let's go. Let's kill this man over here. Oh, he's pro. Oh, hell nah, I missed again. Nice ball, let's go. It's a great fruit actually. I want to also try the other fruits because I have a ice spare fruit that I have for backup. I will use this fruit until my level is 450, and then we will kill the I don't know where to go after the 450 level. Right now I am on 9th quest, and then 10th quest I don't know what is the 10th quest, and the bosses give more XP than the normal. Let's go, quest completed. My level is 447. Let's go out to the menu. Let's upgrade these things over here. Let's go. I am ready there. I told you in the last video. No, that video was actually a fault video, means that the voice didn't came, so the views also not good. But today is the voice here. Oh, let's go again. That should be. Oh no, hell no! I accidentally clicked light flight. Sorry, what I'm saying. Easy, so much easy. First time it was hard actually. Just like kill him. Ice sniper. Ice abilities, it freezes him. And if you are using invisible power, so you have to likely upgrade the combat stats, not the power. And my combat stats is 100 only. Then I use let's go for 50 level. So we gonna upgrade our fruit to gold power, I think. So we have to first go with this thing over here to 4, and this thing over here to 4 more, and one is there remaining. So let's go with 460 of health. We just need some more points to get. I think we should get a stat refund, and then the melee that we wanted 790 level. Remember 790 level. Okay, let's so I'm start refunding it. 797. Oh no, not that too much. That's too much. 790. 798, and then whole we gonna like, yes, that's 11. Let's go. Melee doesn't matter actually. Melee doesn't matter. So it's a stat refund, and now my health is so much, so much. Let's go. Let's see the stat number 10. Where is it? It's there. It's there. It's there. Let's go. How much they give? This is the rock. What the hell? Oh, wait a second. They give 135. No way. Nah, I'm not getting this quest over here. It gives so low. It gives more, not more than that thing. I think we should only follow the quest number 9. It actually gives more than that. That's why I told you. I give it free fruits. Free fruits. Let peace paid after this guy is killed. And first, we have to get another fruit. What I take gold power I have to, so I would have a backup gold and water power. Hey, water power is more than ice power I have it, so it is great. I think I should eat it. I am eating water power. I don't know it's good or not. Oh, it's good actually. I think it's good. Oh yes, it's not bad. It's not bad. I have to only learn. Oh, what the hell? Okay, water sharks. It gives only damage. That's a good water. Oh, that should be killed. Oh, it comes closer to me and then uses. I don't know what is that. Anyway, That's a good fruit. Sorry, power. Blocks fruits have it actually. Blocks fruits have it. And let's upgrade the stats as well. 12 on to the no. I think we should only upgrade 6 here and 6 here, so that we. Oh, I forgot to take the quest. Get water sharks. Let's go. Water puddle. Water tsunami. It just likely. It give water damage. It is giving. Water tap. Water puddle. Water puddle. Water puddle. How does the water give even damage? What the? Let me kill him. Water ball again. Tsunami. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We should end this video here. I just wanted to say that it's not too long video. It's just a 9-minute old video. So bye bye, guys. This is a very great. And let's spin a fruit before going. Let's spin a fruit. Let's go to first to home to click. That's why this is so funny. Yeah, it's so funny. Oh, we came here. Any fruits? No, sorry, no fruit here. Let's go with this guy over here. Let's buy one, and we will spin 3 fruits. Invisible power. I have 8 invisible powers. I will trade to my friend or you guys if needed. It's a good flame power. Oh no, I got a spin power. Oh no. Last spin. Oh, please, please, good, 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 good fruit. I got fly power one again. No way. See, I have now many fruits in my inventory, like two, one, two, four. Have four more power, two barrier, four spin, two diamond power, nine bomb power, six fly power, eight invisible power. I have so much like power, so I will give you. The 15th subscriber gets a shout out. So today is only this video. Let's go. Bye bye. Hey bro. What the hell? Bye guys. Oh,